All right, Nora Fateh has issued a statement on ED grilling. She has claimed innocence. That's the big breaking coming in. She says not involved in any money laundering activity. She further goes on to say no connection with accused Sukesh. She says she was called by the Enforcement Directorate to help out in the investigation. So there you go. You've got Nora Fateh saying that she's innocent. She's issued a statement. She says she's not involved in any money laundering activity. She also says that she's got no connection with accused Sukesh and called in by ED to help the investigation. This is starkly different from what the ED sources have been claiming at the moment in terms of her involvement in 200 crore rupees money laundering scam. This is countering what the ED sources have been putting out, but breaking news just coming in on Nora Fateh issuing this particular statement on the ED grilling. She's saying that she was called in by the Enforcement Directorate to help the investigation. Let's get our reporter Manish Pandey, who knows the story inside out, to get us more details on this particular statement and what he makes of this statement. But official statement is coming out from the spokesperson of Nora Fateh right now. They are trying to clarify, quote-unquote, various conjectures that are floating around. Nora Fateh, they say, has been the victim around the case. They say she's cooperating, helping officers in the investigation. She's not a part of any money laundering activity. They go on to say that she does not know or have any personal connection with the accused and has been called into ED to strictly help out with this particular investigation. Starkly different again. I'd like to repeat from what the ED sources have been informing us. Manish is joining us now for the very latest. Manish, Nora Fateh's official statement is out. She says she's a victim and she's cooperating with ED in the probe, and she's just been called in by the ED to help out in the investigation. But what we are picking up from ED sources seems to be starkly different from this. The ED is alleging her direct involvement. If you could just clarify that for us.
Yeah, well, Chaiti, as far as Nora Fateh is concerned, her statement is very clear that she is witness in the case, and as a witness she is cooperating with the investigations, and she is trying to help the investigators as far as this entire 200 crore extortion case is concerned. But what we have been given to understand by our sources within the Enforcement Directorate is that yesterday she was confronted with Sukesh Chandrasekhar while she was questioned for 8 hours in ED's Delhi office, and during confrontation what ED came to know is that there was one event in which Nora Fateh was invited by wife of Sukesh Chandrasekhar, that is Leena Maria Paul. And during that event, Sukesh Chandrasekhar also gifted her expensive gifts worth more than crore. So that is what the ED is claiming. But ED is also saying that she was cooperative during the investigations. They have recorded a statement under Section 50 of Prevention of Money Laundering Act. That is a witness statement. But as far as this entire 200 crore rupees is concerned, it is still not clear that when Nora Fateh met, then the scam had already taken place, or it was underway, or it was before that. But because before, if she had met Sukesh Chandrasekhar or Leena Maria Paul, she had nothing to do with the case. And also, what becomes very important is that even ED is claiming, ED is saying that they recorded the witness statement, but still they are going through the financial transactions of Nora Fateh so that they can confirm whether what role Sukesh Chandrasekhar played,
yes,
and what was Nora Fateh's role as far as Sukesh Chandrasekhar's extortion.
All right, Manish. Thank you for getting us those details right there. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this story. Trouble is definitely mounting for Bollywood actors. 2 divas have been under ED's lens in connection with 200 crore rupees money laundering case. Jacqueline Fernandez, who was summoned by the ED, skipped the questioning, and another actor, Nora Fateh, was being grilled on Thursday for 8 long hours.